guys, I'm Shakha and welcome to B-Town Style Under 3, where we pick up the latest looks spotted on Bollywood celebrities and break them down for you. Priyanka Chopra is back in India promoting her upcoming film in full swing, which means that we get to see a lot of her promotional looks and seek a lot of style inspiration from it. In a recent promotional appearance, she was seen wearing a pink dress that had a very subtle floral print on it. It was a mini length, it had a subtle frill detail around the hem, it had a polo neck and a matching belt to tie around the waist to give the dress a little bit of structure. She styled the look with a pair of nude pumps and round sunglasses that gave a very retro appeal to the entire outfit. And I understand why she picked those sunglasses, because the outfit in itself with the high polo neck and the vintage florals on it was very retro looking. And when it comes to floral dresses, we're moving away from asymmetrical off-shoulder and strappy necklines to a polo neck with an interesting sleeve or shoulder, just the way Priyanka did in her look. So a couple of dresses I have over here to show you guys that you can wear to seek inspiration and style yourself like Priyanka. The first one over here is a print crashing look. In fact, this you can see has a different collar print on the collar band. It has a polo neck. It's a straight fit, so it's something that's a bit more casual, but it has an interesting full sleeve over here, and you can see the play of different floral prints over here. The prints also are very vintage looking, very classic. It looked really nice with a pair of nude pumps the way Priyanka was wearing, and round sunglasses would make it look so retro chic. The other one is a variation of floral print that's really been trending, paisley print. So this is a paisley print dress that has a drop waist on it, and again this has a higher neckline. You could also layer it by pairing it with a polo sweater for the winter season. I think it'll make for a very interesting outfit. And speaking of layering, if you have a floral dress that has a vintage print and it's very retro looking but does not have a high neck, you could layer. So for example, a dress like this one, I'm sure everyone has a V-neck or a round neck dress. So what you could do is take a blouse that has a polo neck, something like this, and since this is sleeveless, you can also have the statement sleeves. So just layer this blouse inside a dress like this, let the sleeves hang loose, and of course you have the polo neck as well, and you can have yourself a dress like that. And it also makes it very interesting, and it's all about multi-purposing the pieces that you already have in your wardrobe and making the most out of the trends that we see on our favorite Bollywood celebrities. That is all from this episode. I will see you guys next time. Bye. Today we're breaking down a look of Kriti Sanon, who was seen wearing a nice and bright jumper. It was a really cute winter look, and I think while people succumb to darker hues for the winter months, Kriti was shining in this neon hue. Here's breaking her look down. She was seen wearing an oversized turtleneck, which she styled with a pair of black leggings, and then she also layered the look with a pair of thigh-high boots. Thigh-high boots are a trend that came into style in 2017. They were trending in 18, 19 and are here to stay for the months and years to come. So I think it's a pair of shoes that you must invest in. Now, taking inspiration from Kriti's look, let me show you a couple of options. Kriti, of course, was wearing a neon yellow turtleneck, and a turtleneck is a classic and never goes out of style, and it's something that every girl must have in her wardrobe. But the order of the season is streetwear, so we're going to pick a yellow hoodie instead. I think also hoodies are super versatile. You could wear them with a pair of leggings and boots the way Kriti did. You could also layer them under a denim jacket and just leave the hood out popping over the denim jacket. That'll be a really cool outfit as well. So over here we have our yellow hoodie, which is making quite the statement and keeping us warm at the same time. What you could pair it with is a pair of black skinny jeans like these ones. So as you can see, they have a rip detail around the knee. So these have a knee slash on them, which also again makes it really street chic. And then you could pair it with, one second, a pair of thigh-high boots like these. So I think a pair of thigh-high boots like these ones would make quite the statement and complete the outfit. You could also style it with a brown leather backpack or a black fanny pack to keep your hands free and enjoy the winter months. That's all from this episode of B-Town Style Under 3. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. So recently, Rakul Preet was spotted wearing a racerback white rib-knit turtleneck top that she paired with a pair of navy blue wide-leg jeans that had a stitch detail on them. She styled the look with a pair of sunglasses and finished the look with a pair of lace-up leather black booties. The entire outfit looked lovely. It was such a basic outfit, no frills and fancies, no extravagant silhouettes, but at the same time it looks super chic. Now turtlenecks, for the longest time we've seen them in either chunky sweaters or fitted tops that are full sleeves, but recently we've been seeing a lot of turtlenecks in sleeveless or racerback styles, and I think it looks really chic. So taking inspiration from Rakul Preet's outfit, I'm going to show you a couple of pieces over here that you could try. The first one we have over here is actually a halter neck high neck top. So obviously, as you can see, it has a twisted detail around the neck, so it makes it really sexy for the night time as well. And what you could pair it with is a pair of pants that are very similar to the ones that Rakul was wearing. These ones again have a wider leg. They're also cropped from the hem, and it also has that white stitch detail on it, similar to the one that Rakul was wearing. So this is one outfit that you could try. If you pair it with a pair of killer heels and pull your hair up in a ponytail, wear a red lip and wear statement earrings, it will look lovely. The other racerback turtleneck that we have is in a bright color. Rakul, of course, is wearing white, but we have this orange one over here that I think can be such a statement with so many outfits. For your bottom wear, I'd suggest go with something more subtle and muted. So a classic blue denim like this one with a racerback turtleneck crop top like this one would look great. This again has a higher waist. It also has a stitch detail on it, along with a frayed hem, of course, over here. You could wear a pair of statement shoes with a pair of bottoms like this one, so you can get a little bit more attention on the hem over here. Frayed hems are again really in style. You could wear it with a matching belt, or you could add a statement belt as well with a look like this one. That's all from this episode of Turtleneck, Racerbacks and Rakul Preet's look. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
For more fashion tips, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.